If you're somebody who loves money, then this community is for you. I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit. On that day when I took this video, I had made 1.5k euros, which at the time was around 1.8k US dollars. And the previous day, as you can see, I had made 2.3k euros, which was $2,600. So in 48 hours, I made like $4,000 in 48 hours at 22 years old. Now, how did I do that exactly? That's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you inside of this program and this community. And I come from the low middle class, and I'm telling you, when you get to see that on your screen, it is a crazy feeling. It is a feeling I can't even describe. It's the best feeling in the world. Now, I'm not going to tell you that, oh, you're going to get these kinds of results overnight. Because if I did, then I'd be lying to you. And my goal is to help you get results too. It took me a while to figure all of this, and to get that kind of money, it took me years. Why? Because I was too stubborn. I didn't want to invest in myself. I didn't want to spend money. And I was trying to do everything all by myself, which is a huge mistake. Like, if you want to know the truth, in a whole year of trying to sell my digital products online, I made $1,100, and then I got a mentor. And all I needed was to spend 1 hour on a call with them. And then I literally started making more per month, every month, than I did in the previous year alone. So when you've got the right person helping you, this is the kind of results you can get. Now, who should join this program and this community? It's actually pretty straightforward. You want to make fuck you money, and you have a passion or knowledge or interest that you want to share with the world. Even if you don't currently, which would be surprising, we're going to help you figure out exactly what that passion, knowledge, or interest is, and then we'll build a product around it. But most people know what's their passion or what they have an interest in. And also, you not only want to increase your income, but you also want to make a fuckload of money doing what you love and have complete freedom. Like, even if you make good money with a 9-to-5 career, like let's say you make 100k a year as a lawyer, you're not getting payment notifications while you're playing pool in Canary Wharf or relaxing in a Greek villa. It just doesn't happen. So yes, you make good money, but you work 12 hours a day. Like, lawyers are known for working a lot, and then you pay a lot of taxes, so like you lose time in reality because time is more important than money, and you don't get to travel as much if that's what you want. You don't have geographical freedom. Only this business model allows you to get everything. It literally has no downsides. And I've worked with literally over 100 clients worldwide. In fact, if you just slide the next pictures next to these videos, then you'll see some of my client results. I obviously can't put all of them because there's literally so many. I'd have to put 100 slides or more. But here's exactly what you get inside. You get actionable courses to teach you step by step how I made up to $2,600 in profit per day selling digital products. So again, it's like 90 to 95% profit in your pocket. So for every $100 that you make, you keep $95. So if you're wondering exactly like, okay, what kind of digital products are we going to be selling? We're going to be talking about everything: low ticket, recurring revenue, high ticket, etc. And so you not only get all the courses, which I will make many more courses on productivity, on business itself, etc. There's going to be a full course dedicated to low ticket, recurring revenue, and also a full course for high ticket. In fact, if you just look at the pictures alongside with this video, when you're done watching this, you will see what the current courses available are. And again, we'll have many more based on what you want to see in the program. Like if you want a course on productivity or something specific, I'll make that course as well. So we have a community. You're not alone. Like back when I started, learning about online business, it was over a decade ago. I was only 11 years old. I know it sounds crazy, but that's the truth. I just typed how to get rich in the YouTube search bar, and I was really lonely, Like I didn't really have people around me who were into this. But now you are joining this place, this program, and you don't only get courses, you get me helping you directly, you get direct access to me, and also you get other people who are on the same mission. In fact, there is a map feature inside of this program we're on the School platform where you can literally see who is nearby, who is near you, and you can meet your new best friend there. For example, I'll show you. Right now we are inside of my program and I just started it at the moment I'm recording this, so there will be more people. But this is the map feature. For example, I'm over there, but you can see, for example, someone else is over there. You can follow them, look at their profile, chat with them. Like let's say you both are in Florida, then you can just reach out to him and meet your new best friend just like that. Then we're also going to have one weekly Q&A call per week or more depending on how things go. And if you can't attend them, then you're going to have access to the recordings of the Q&A calls as well. Because I know people will be coming in from different time zones. And the thing is, why did I create this? Well, to make money, sure, but also I know that mentors are expensive, especially when it comes to teaching you how to make more money, because it's one of the most valuable skills you could have to teach to someone. Because if you teach someone how they can make more money, like they're set for life. So oftentimes these programs cost, at least $3,000 up front. That's a three, yes. But a lot of the time they cost $10,000 plus. You're going to get access to everything that you need, like everything, and direct access to me and to other people who are on the same mission for like not even a tenth of that price. So now this is truly accessible for anyone. So there's no more excuse of, oh, I don't have money to start a business, because even inside the program, I'll show you ways that you can start without spending much money or any money at all. And if you think you don't have the time to be in a program, again, like I said, I'm making all the courses short, actionable, straight to the point. I've been poor. I know what it's like to not be able to afford a high ticket program that's going to teach you to improve your skills so you can make more money. But now this, anybody can join. And for the first 10 members only, it's the first 10 founding members, the price is going to be even lower. So if you're lucky to be one of the few 10 founding members, join right now, because the price is going to increase very soon. And as we get more and more people in, the price will keep increasing. We want to keep this a tight VIP community, so we can't just let anybody in. So with that said, right next to this video if you're on desktop, or below this video, click on join, and I'll see you inside of the program.